This is my first time opportunity in junior team captain. Uh, Really, I feel very proud to be a captain of Tamil Nadu in junior category.
So, what would you say about your sis Suji? Is a good.
Yes, last time you asked about my Suji Didi in uh, Indian camp. Now she is with me in this tournament. We both are performed very well for our Tamil Nadu. We hope we will win this tournament.
What would you say about Nikita from Haryana?
Nikita is a good girl. She is very dedication and disciplined girl. All she guide team very well. We both are in same room.
What would you say about Bahrain Youth Asian Games?
In Bahrain, so many Tamil peoples is there. They are supporting very more. That is very positive to our Indian team. They are not separate Tamil Nadu only. They support. They are supporting all Indian players. Uh, they want to win the match, so they are supporting more. Bahrain is a good country, and in Mamta Pujari ma'am is coming for selection committee. Ma'am also guide us very well. Ma'am is experienced coach and player everything, because this is big opportunity for each and every kabaddi players. His dream is to play for India. I am from Tamil Nadu. I am very proud and be thankful to my association AKFI. In more shares is there. I want to thank them.
And what would you say about Tamil Nadu's government? Full support, and you are most welcome after came back in Tamil Nadu land.
In Tamil Nadu, more support from government and Tamil Nadu Amateur Kabaddi Association. Our secretary sir, all are supporting very well. I want to thank them.